Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I am Eka Ginsato, honored to be your host for tonight. So, wala po kayong choice. Ako po ang bida ngayon. Walang iiyak, ha? Walang personalan. Trabaho lang po, Diyos. A lady of good heart, character, and ambition. At this juncture, ladies and gentlemen, it's my honor to present to you the Ginsato and Gerarcas family. May I call on the Gerarcas family, please? And the Ginsato family, wives and Gerarcas. Wala po bang Gerarcas dito? Hindi na po, dyan na ako, Gerarcas. Mother, father, daughters. Let me introduce you all. Gerarcas family, please join me here in front. Join me here. Saan si Kyla?
Escort siya ni Shim, di ba?
Si Shane later pa yun.
Sana si Love.
Family mo na, Gerarcas family. Introduce ko lang po sila. Para may idea po kayo kung sino po ang family ni Shane Gerarcas. So everyone, this is her tito. Ano pong name po natin, tito? Ni Shane Gerarcas po, ah. Introduce po tayo, introduce. Sige po.
Amy na lang.
Let me call her Amy. And the youngest.
Ng mga lagayan ng mga ulam, tsaka siya din pasiminto nito para maging maayos yung gaganapang event. Maraming salamat sa Batallas Paglaw.
Hello. Medyo paus ako pero pasensya na kayo. Ang number one, good evening sa lahat na nandito. Na pasalamat ako dahil dumating kayo sa araw ng birthday ng anak ko. At pasensya na rin number one.
Guys, wala ba kayong kamay? Hinina, ano ba yan? Nakasan kayo! So, syempre nakilala niyo na yung family ni Shane. Siguro it's not late naman din para ma-recognize namin. Kung sino ba yung family ni Ginsato Marlon? Pwede po ba natin i-call sila for a short introduction here? Family members ni Marlon. Asan na yung mga anak ni Marlon? Kasi Casey. Asan si Casey? Si Casey? Ha? Oh, sure.
Hello, bakit kayo nagtaka na bakit dalawang birthday ngayon? Dahil ang kuya ko kasing birthday din ng anak ko. Kaya dalawang birthday ngayon. Isa pa. Pero pamilya, kuya ko at saka ipa ko ito mga anak niya. Mga pamangkin ko.
Thank you. Again, it's a double celebration day. Double celebration po tayo tonight. So, may mga na-invite siguro sa party. Okay, excited na ba kayong makita ang debutant natin for tonight? Excited? Walang sumasagot. Ano ba naman yan? Excited na ba kayong makita ang debutant? Masyadong mahina. Ano ba naman yan? Excited na ba kayo? Excited na kayo sigurado yan, ha? Okay. Now, cats, friends, ladies and gentlemen, I want you to all welcome and give a very loud and warm welcome of applause to our celebrants. It is with a great joy and pride that we introduce to you our woman of the evening, Miss Shane Gerarcas, escorted by one of our celebrants, also Mr. Marlon Ginsato. Please proceed. Grace Arner. Ladies and gentlemen, allow me to share with you the enchanting journey of a girl who is blossomed with an abundance of love and kindness. We gather not only to mark this day of blossoms, but to honor a young woman stepping gracefully into a new chapter of her life. She is a cherished soul, admired by all of the regions that emanates from within. This extraordinary young lady, a voice that resonates next to the angel, melody, her smile is boundless and infectious. Words is her heart, and a great explore the vast expanse of possibilities. Her mind is ever ready for a new challenges. Again, let me introduce to you our loving debutante, Miss Shane Gerardas. Ay, picture muna bago natin talk yung ating super handsome escort. Wow! Show that wonderful smile. Ready na po umupo ang ating loving escort? Shane, I have a favor for you. Pwede ka bang makita ng mga attendees natin hanggang doon sa dulo? Pwede po ba tayo mag-play ng very romantic music? Gusto lang ipa-appreciate sa mga attendees natin kung gaano kaganda si Shane. Hanggang dulo ha, rarampa ka. Please, makinig kayo sa sasabihin ko kasi mamaya may pa-quiz ako. Ang hindi makasagot, hindi makakabigyan ng plato ha. Okay, so music, please, bigyan niyo po ako ng very romantic music as our debutant will going to walk. And once again, please, Grace, hanggang sa dulo mag-reflect na. This extraordinary young lady, studying at Beat Institute of Science Technology. She is also a graduating student taking of humanities and social science. Hanggang sa dulo mag-reflect na. This extraordinary young lady, studying at Beat Institute of Science Technology. She is also a graduating student taking of humanities and social science. She is beautiful, experienced by spontaneity and adventurous. More refined than shy, she carries herself with more playfulness, unveiling a world of excitement and exploration. I can say that her love you, reading Wattpad stories, an influence to her charismatic nature. She's skilled in magnetic charm that captivate those around her. For alluring and smoking, she is evolved into a captivating presence, a sign to behold. Indeed, she has graced an irresistible young woman, leaving you echoes of her youth, full of shomai and the Disney Princess Rapunzel. Tonight, we will witness the culmination of her growth, a captivation vision of her beauty, grace, and charisma. Ladies and gentlemen, it is with a great pleasure and a sense of anticipation that I stand before you today to present a shining star, a beacon of grace and charm, ready to illuminate our gathering. Without further ado, I have the distinct honor of introducing to you the debutant of the evening, a true epitome of elegance and voice. Again, Miss Shane Gerardas. Ang haba ng speech ko, di ba? Ang haba ng speech kong magpapakilala kay Shane. Okay, nasaan na yung aking mga papremyo para sa makinig ng speech ko? Nasaan na yung papremyo ko? Okay, ready na po ba ang ating 18 Joseph? persons of my celebrants night. You all know na hindi lang po para sa papel ang invitation natin. Ha? Hindi po yung display lang kung bakit kayo na-invite sa ating party tonight. Ang mga invited natin na roses, bills, shops, and any other categories po ng event natin ay you will be the ones who will guide and support our celebrant along the way. So sana i-treasure niyo itong moment na to na hindi lang itong simpleng handaan or kainan para sa birthday ng ating celebrants. Isa kayong very important person sa night issue. So tonight, let us now have the 18 flowers. This symbolizes the degrees of love and affection, but it can also send a variety of messages of forgiveness, purity, modesty, hope, beauty, and love. The 18 roses signify a very special gentleman in the life of the debutante. To begin with, let us call our handsome gentleman to gather on the side for the smooth flow of the program. Ready na ba? Ready na po ba? So, as your name is called, it is your chance to offer a flower and dance with the debutante. So, the first dance goes to Sian Sabay. Please, next dance.
Take my hand, pull me close, and take one step. Keep your eyes aligned on mine.
And again, we can still call Mr. Justin Arcasio.
Won't you promise me that you'll never forget to keep dancing wherever we go next? Until I catch your mind in the chances of finding the laughter, the sorrow,
There you have it, ladies and gentlemen. The circle of important persons in the life of the debutante. Let's give them a big warm round of applause. Okay, picture, picture.
before life removed all the innocence.
Mother, please join them. Picture na din mo. Nasa ka na? So, ngayon, gusto ko magawa muna kayo ng wish. Close your eyes. Okay lang yan. Happy birthday! A moment of silence para sa ating celebrants mag-wish sa kanila. Ako magka-count ako ng 3. Pag sinabi ko 3, parents and wife celebrants, tulungan niyo sila mag-blow, ha? Okay? Okay, a moment of silence to make a wish. 1, 2, 3, blow! Woo! This celebrant won't be complete without hearing any message. Kaya dapat may wish ni mother and father kay celebrant. Okay. Mother. Wish muna kayo kay celebrant. Sige na, Shin. Wish para kay sana. Message mo kay Shin.
Nak, isa lang talaga sasabihin ko. Isa lang.
Mr. Sobe!
Sana magtapos ka sa pag-aaral mo. Hindi man tayo mayaman, wala man ako pamamana sa'yo. Ang akin lang, magtapos ka at yan lang naman ang magiging pamana ko sa'yo, yung pagtapos mo. Kasi wala naman bibigay sa'yo na kayamanan. Andito kami, ang nanay mo. Suporta kami sa'yo sa pag-aaral mo na makapagtapos ka. Yun lang at ayun.
Yun lang at goodbye.
Salamat, happy birthday na.
Dito kami ng tatay mo. Ayaw, buhay tayo dyan. Bata yun. Nandito kami ng tatay mo para sumuporta sa'yo. Joke lang. Nak, ang masabi ko lang, hindi ko akalain na itin ka na. Tapos, matalinong bata. Maganda. Pero, pangit. Joke. Na, aral lang ang mabuti. Nandito lang kami para sa'yo. Thank you. Thank you and goodbye.
Good health, araw-araw, oras-oras, bawat minuto. Happy birthday ulit. Happy birthday, Shay. Wish ka ng kita-earnit mo, mag-aral ka ng mabuti para sa iyo, kinabukasan. Thank you, Shay. Happy birthday ulit. Okay, thank you, dear parents. Sino ba? Sino?
Kuya ko pala. Birthday niya. Ang wish ko rin.
Mag-birthday
Wish ko rin sa kuya ko na sobrang bait. At parang ako masabi na kahit sa dating mga problema andyan siya lagi.
Oy, dito! Mo, ayun o.
Roses. Pwede po kami magpa-picture. Debutant please join us here. Debutant. Debutant, please join us here, ma'am. Gusto magpa-autograph. Family members, kahit sino pwede po magpa-picture. Marlon, Erbil, pa-picture kayo. Ito Junjun, Sabay, Junjereka. Emi Herakas.